to show you how to make this delicious charoset. This is how my family makes it. We eat charoset on Passover because it reminds us of the hard work that we needed to do to build the pyramids. Enjoy the video and happy Passover. It's delicious. Let's start making our delicious charoset. I have here peeled and cored apples, cinnamon, red sweet wine, ground nuts, and dates. To my mixture, I'll add my nuts, actually my ground almonds, my sweet wine, and my cinnamon. If you like it more nutty, add in some more nuts. If you want it more sweet, you could add in grape juice, more wine, or just sugar.
Who wants matzah?
Me.
The Charoset.
Me.
Okay, we'll start with you. Take a piece of matzah. There you go.
I want to make a sandwich.
Maybe, oh, it's gonna make a sandwich. Okay, would you like some matzah too?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a sandwich.
You gonna make a little sandwich?
Pesach.
All right, so who do you think made the Charoset?
Ima.
Yima did?
Yeah.
Okay. We ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get a little scoop of
Little
horses.
scoop.
I'm gonna get a teensy weensy scoop since I hate since I don't know if I'll like the charoset.
1, 2, 3.
It's good.
Mmm.
It's good.
2 thumbs up. Right?
It's really good. Well,
What does it taste like? Everybody
like bitter.
Maybe
It tastes
like
bitter.
an
apple mushed up mixed with some other ingredient.
Some apples. Is it sweet or sour?
Maybe there's like some
Spicy.
wine or some wine and nuts in there.
Wine and nuts, yes. And maybe what kind of spices do you think?
I don't know.
Spices?
Vinegar? Vinegar? Wait, am I
Maybe-
saying it
Maybe
right?
some cinnamon or something?
Yeah, cinnamon. Have a good
You want
Yom Tov. Bye bye.
We want to wish everyone a Chag Sameach.
When there's a lot of this stuff, it tastes kind of gross.